Hello everyone. Our video is about our Black Friday shopping at Costco, getting a good deal on brushes, electric toothbrushes. So we are unboxing our toothbrush. The sale was $130 off. So let's see what we got today. Ooh, that's a big box. So there's 2 toothbrushes. Let's see how they look. Because I've seen a lot of people recommend those toothbrushes, so we decided to buy it and see if you like it. So ready to see it? Okay. So excited! Ooh, those are nice colors. That's so fancy. Ooh, okay. So we got black. One for my husband. And the white one is for me. And they have those rechargeable cases. Those are nice. Those are fancy. And they have cups. And I think those are chargers. See the brushes. Ooh, that's a big vibration. Yeah, so far so good. We'll see. We'll try them out. Let you guys know how they work. Anyway, oh, okay. So these cups are supposed to be charging. So let's see if they work. Ah. Are they charging? Ooh, hold on. Look, it's charging.
Wow.
Just in the plain cup, it's charging. Nice. And these are supposed to be rechargeable as well. Let's see. No? Yes, it's charging. So those are nice deals we got. So hopefully we'll like them. So we paid $150. And the original price is $280. So that's pretty good deal. If you guys are interested to buy this is what it's called. Look for the good deals at Costco. So these charging the cup, and you just put it here, charge your cup, and then set your toothbrush to charge. So I don't know. And these are chargeable as well. So I guess there's another charger for the cases, and you just charge and just take it with you, so you don't have to take the chargers. So anyways, we'll let you guys know how they work. Bye bye.